Hi, my name is HAZIM Gaber. We're going to continue learning about Excel numbers and formatting. So, the next type of format that we're going to learn is called scientific notation. You may remember from elementary school, or maybe it was junior high, I don't remember. I think it was grade 7. But basically, scientific notation allows us to shorten our number. So if I have a number like 2000 or 20,000, what's actually happening is Excel is like, it's like, let me show you. So I'm gonna have to show you as math. So in case you don't remember, write the calculator up. So if I have a number like 2000, what Excel does is it says, I'm going to put a decimal place after the first digit. So I'm going to go, so 2000 is actually 2 times 1000. And 1000 is actually 10 times 10 times 10. So think about that. So I can write this, I can write the number 2000 with the decimal places 2 times 1000. I can break down any number, that starts with a 1, so into tens. So how many tens does it take? So let's say I got a number here like 31,600. I can put a decimal place here, and I can write this as 3 times 3 point. Sorry, I can write this as. I'm gonna erase this. I'm gonna go back here. So I can put this as 3.16 times 10,000. Right, which is 3.16. I should cross this off because it's 10 times. Oh no, I was right. 3.16 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So in this case, we can write this as 2 times 10 to the third power. I can write this as 3.16 times 10 to the fourth power. So the point is, this section here can be called E. So I can actually go and write this down as 3.16 E04, and I can write this as 2 E303. If I have decimal places, it might be 2.00 E03. So Excel will write any number you have into a scientific notation. And all you have to do is choose the scientific notation formula, and then you can enter in any crazy number, and you'll notice that it's hidden our decimal places. So if I have a number like, I don't know, if I have a number like 4,363.45, this number is actually 4 times 10, 5 digits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 4. This was actually 4, 3, 6, 3, 4, 5. So it's actually 4.3634 times 100, or 4.6345 times 10 to the 5, which goes into 4.36. So if we forget about these straggling numbers, we just get E05. So if I type that into Excel, I get, oops, I get 436,345 turns into 4.36 whatever. Excel also rounds, so say I got 436,745. Oops. Let's say I got 436,745. It'll round to 4.37. So that's what we call scientific notation. We can always format these cells so we have additional decimal places if we want, and we can have fewer decimal places, and we can always go back and choose number, and now we can have regular numbers. You'll notice if we change from scientific notation to actual numbers, Excel will keep the decimal places. If you have any questions, please post a comment and we'll answer it in the next video. Thank you.